everybody, so this is Muskan. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is gonna be a review video, and in today's video I'm gonna review about a sunscreen, and it is very affordable and also a very good sunscreen for all skin type people. So let's not waste the time and directly jump into the video. So as usual, let's talk about its packaging first, and this is how it looks. It comes with this tube packaging and it says Pyramel Lactocalamine Daily Sun Shield Matte Look Sunscreen with Kaolin Clay, and the packaging is really good, as you can see, and it's not flimsy at all. It is quite sturdy. The cap is really tight. So this is how it looks. So let me tell you what it claims. So it says it protects your skin from SPF 50, PA triple plus and UVA and UVB, which is great. And it says it is for oily skin people, and its formulation is very light and non-sticky. It also says it is dermatologically tested and paraben free, which is great thing, you guys. And also it says it can it is water based sunscreen that is light and quick absorbing, and also non-oily lotion gives you a clear matte look. Okay, so guys, its fragrance is not that overpowering, because if you have used the Lactocalamine lotion, it comes with the same fragrance. So I kind of like this fragrance. And also one more thing, it doesn't give you any flashback. That's a really good thing. So yeah. So yes guys, I think if you have acne prone skin, or if you have so many pimples and acne problem, then I think you should definitely give it a try, because it has kaolin clay, and also lactocalamine is really famous for, you know, curing your acne and pimples. So I think you should give it a try. It is especially good for sensitive skin people and acne prone skin, and that's the reason. And I think I have covered all points. So yeah, and also this is a very affordable, and you know, it's budget friendly. It just retails for 150 or 175. So but it does its job, guys. It is pretty good sunscreen, because it doesn't give that white cast, and you know, that's a really good thing. So yeah, I think this is suitable for every skin type out there, so highly recommended. So that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones, and please support me. So that's pretty much it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon, so whenever I post a new video, you can just go and check that out. So yeah, bye, take care. So guys, I don't have anything on my face right now, so I just applied some moisturizer and some lipstick. So now I'm gonna use this sunscreen directly on my face. And remember one thing, so whenever you're stepping out from your home, then it's always better to use sunscreen like before 15 or 20 minutes like before stepping out. So I mean, it really settles down into your skin, so it can do its job better. So you can see the color, it is in a baby pink color. If you have used the lactocalamine lotion, so it is in the same color, but it doesn't give you any coverage, so it can easily be blended into your skin. And the cream is really thick, so but it is so easy to work with, you guys. I mean, it can be blended very easily, and it really depends upon the quantity. I mean, how much of quantity you're using. So if you have an oily skin, then you can just use a little bit, it can work. If you have a dry skin, then it depends upon you, but I have used a lot of amount here. But then still you can see how easily it blended, and it doesn't leaves any kind of white cast, or it doesn't feel patchy or cakey or nothing. And yeah, as you can see, I'm just tapping it, and it doesn't leaves any kind of greasiness, doesn't feel sticky at all. And as you can see, I'm just tapping it. So this is a really good sunscreen, you guys. You can see this. So I really like this sunscreen because it provides you a dewy finish. It's not completely matte, but it's demi matte, but it's not sticky. So I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. So you can see how easily it blended, and it doesn't provide any it doesn't give you any white cast. So this is the look. Bye guys.